Welcome to this lesson on chlorophyll, the remarkable light-absorbing pigment that makes photosynthesis possible. Chlorophyll is one of the most important molecules in the natural world, and understanding how it works is key to understanding how plants produce food and sustain life on Earth. So, what exactly is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment found inside structures called chloroplasts within plant cells. Its primary job is to capture light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy during the process of photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, plants would not be able to harness the sun's energy to make their own food. There are two main types of chlorophyll found in plants. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment and is present in all photosynthetic organisms, from tiny algae to massive trees. Chlorophyll B acts as an accessory pigment, meaning it helps chlorophyll by capturing additional light energy and transferring it to chlorophyll for processing. Have you ever wondered why plants appear green? The answer lies in how chlorophyll interacts with light. Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue wavelengths of light very efficiently, using that energy for photosynthesis. However, it reflects green light, which means green wavelengths bounce off the plant instead of being absorbed. This reflected green light is what reaches our eyes, making plants appear green to us. Let's look at the light absorption spectrum of chlorophyll. On one side, we have the light that chlorophyll absorbs, red and blue light. This absorbed light energy powers the photosynthetic reactions. On the other side, we have the light that chlorophyll reflects, green light. This reflected light is not used by the plant, but instead bounces away, which is why we perceive plants as green. Chlorophyll plays three critical roles in photosynthesis. First, it captures light energy from the sun. Second, it converts that light energy into chemical energy in the form of molecules that cells can use. Third, this chemical energy powers the production of glucose, which is the sugar that plants use as food and building material. Every step of photosynthesis depends on chlorophyll's ability to capture and convert light energy. Where exactly is chlorophyll located within plant cells? Chlorophyll is found inside chloroplasts, which are specialized organelles in plant cells. More specifically, chlorophyll molecules are embedded in the thylakoid membranes inside the chloroplasts. These membranes are stacked in structures where the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis take place. To summarize, chlorophyll is the essential pigment that makes photosynthesis possible. By capturing light energy and converting it into chemical energy, chlorophyll enables plants to produce the glucose they need for growth and survival. Without chlorophyll, life as we know it would not exist, because plants form the foundation of nearly every food chain on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.